Myself, Professor Dr. Chandrani Biswas. I'm Associate Professor, Department of English, St. Xavier's College, Autonomous, Kolkata, and Head of the Department of BA in Humanities and Social Sciences, St. Xavier's College. Now, what I would like to say is UPSC is a very long, arduous, extremely painstaking journey which involves excitement, commitment, diligence, and hard work. And I must say that lately there is a trend noticeable among the people from the Eastern Zone, particularly from West Bengal, in taking the civil services examination. And I can say for sure that Kavish IAS Academy is playing a very major role in terms of their diligent guidance, masterful strategies, emotional support through their outstanding mentorship, and very, very sorted and brilliant materials. They teach students as human beings and do not just put out the study materials telling them that you have to do this and that, but on the contrary, they go into the psychology of every student. They try to look at their strengths and weaknesses, and through their mentors and through the chairpersons, Abhishek sir and Avantika ma'am, they are doing a work that is unimaginable, indescribable. I can say through my personal experience that how my daughter Vaishna, who has ranked 367 in the All India Civil Services 2025, that at every stage we found that they have gone beyond the very idea of marketing or saying we are the best. In fact, we as parents have benefited so much from them, learned so much from them, that ultimately we realized that they are just outstanding. At every step of our preparation, Vaishna was leaning upon Kavish from the beginning, and Sir was ringing Vaishna up to see how she is putting up in terms of her emotional well-being and her planning and the strategies and everything. And in terms of all the other candidates also, they always take note of each and every one of them, and they benefit immensely through the examination system, through the long-term and short-term goals, through the training of the interview, which is very, very good, and through a board of examiners who range from senior bureaucrats and professors and very established people, so that the students are very calm, composed, confident, and I would even say they enjoy the process of the entire training. We are extremely grateful for our daughter. We are proud